she's going to go away. We hope that for people that are going to ask questions, they would stay here.
Ang lakas pang asar ng isang lalaki na yun. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung reaction ng isang philosophy student doon sa isang forum na ginanap sa school nila. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sabi dito, sharing my worst experience in this so-called research colloquium. I will post my story to expose this forum to expose the fascist state apparatus. Una sa lahat, hindi ako obobs. Hindi ako nag-groom. Isa akong philosophy student na marunong magbasa ng konteksto at nakakaintindi ng ideolohiya. I sat through all 5 speakers at malinaw, this forum was nothing but a fascist state propaganda. Machine disguised as academic research. Una, sinabi nilang nakadrop na ang NTF-ELCAC sa forum na ito, pero isa sa mga speaker ay si Jose Joel Egco ng NTF-ELCAC. Okay, fair enough. Sige, sabihin na nating member pa rin siya ng NTF-ELCAC or may history yung isa dyan. Bakit pinagbabawalan nyo yung NTF-ELCAC? Na kung saan yung mga grupong nagpo-propagate ng communist ideologies, pwedeng magkaroon ng lecture dyan sa school nyo, magkaroon ng org, at so on and so forth. Bakit yung kabilang puwersa hindi pwedeng magbigay ng boses nila dyan sa school nyo? Isn't that what fairness is?
Here, so we could have a discussion. No. This is no hostility. We could just have a discussion. You could stay here.
If you are really that good in defending what you believe, you could have sat down with them and talk and prove using arguments na mas okay yung ideology mo. Hindi yung mag-walkout ka, magagalit ka, and you would call them names such as fascist, diktador, pasista, at kung ano-ano pang madalas nilang ginagamit doon sa, or sinisigaw doon sa rally. Diba? You could have won more hearts by debating them instead of walking away and just showing yourself as a brat.
I'm sorry? No one called you, ma'am, a communist. Ma'am, Miss Raven, if you could indulge us, we could have a proper discussion on the matter. If you could stay here for just a small moment.
Ito. Lalo na po, nakita po namin yung picture namin doon. I feel not safe.
Okay.
How are you not safe there? You are just literally talking ideas. Diba? That is just an exaggeration of what you are feeling at the moment during that talk. Ay nako. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.